8 Great Cuisines of China. 1. Cantonese cuisine, sweeter, favoring braising and stewing, adding various mild sauces. 2. Sichuan cuisine, spicy and bold, often mouth-numbing, using lots of chili, garlic, ginger, and peanuts. 3. Jiangsu cuisine, fresh, moderately salty, and sweet, with precise cooking techniques, favoring seafood, soups, and artistic, colorful presentation. 4. Zhejiang cuisine, mellow, using fresh seafood, freshwater fish, and bamboo shoots, and a wide variety of cooking methods. 5. Fujian cuisine, lighter, with a mild sweet and sour taste, using ingredients from the sea and the mountains. 6. Hunan cuisine, quite spicy, with a hot and sour taste, favoring sautéing, stir-frying, steaming, and smoking. 7. Anhui cuisine, uses many wild plants and animals as ingredients, favoring stewing and more oil. 8. Shandong cuisine, salty and crispy, favoring braising and seafood,